Assalamualaikum. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a video on my favorite nail polishes. I've had a lot of questions and a lot of people just sending all kinds of inquiries and stuff, and I thought I'll answer your questions. And also I wanted to show you a little demo. So I have 3 of these and they are from 786 nail polishes and I absolutely love them. The website is 786 Cosmetics, and I honestly, this was my first time trying them, and obviously not in this video. I've been wearing them for like a few weeks now, but I mean this is the first time trying this brand. So they are supposed to be halal nail polishes. Obviously if you want to pray in these, that's up to you and that's for you to make your own decisions. A lot of people like send me questions and ask if it's okay to pray in these. Honestly, I think everybody needs to just go do their own research and see what they think and how they feel. And also another thing is, just because somebody's wearing nail polish, don't assume they're praying in it, because not everybody does. Some people take them off beforehand. So that's just a little disclaimer that I wanted to add, because I'm nobody to sit here and tell you what you can and can't do, and you shouldn't really follow blindly, and you shouldn't follow blindly on what I post and stuff. If I post anything about Islam or Islam related stuff, always go back and do your research. Very important to do that. They are vegan, they don't peel, they are wudu friendly, and they are certified halal by KIC. I got these 3 shades. I've got Fez, which is this shiny green. It's absolutely gorgeous. I actually wore this on my Instagram if you want to see what it looks like. Then I've got this like lilac pink shade, which is almost the same color as my scarf, and this is called Kashmir. And then this absolute gorgeous shade, I love this, absolutely gorgeous, and this one is called Dubai. And I think today, what color shall I wear? It's definitely going to be between these 2. So they're free of harsh chemicals and they're cruelty free. All the bad stuff that you get in nail polishes, they don't have it in there, which is so amazing. I think that's the main thing for me, is that I know nail polishes are supposed to be really bad for you, but these don't have the bad ingredients, which is amazing. I'm just gonna apply them and show you how opaque they really are. Here's my nails, cut and shaped. They don't have anything on them, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with Kashmir and I am going to start applying it. I'm doing really thin coats. I don't like doing thick coats on my nails, but as you can see already, that's a very opaque first coat. Literally, it's almost dry. How amazing is that? It's been like less than a minute. I'm actually gonna go in and do another really thin coat. So that's the nails up close. As you can see, they are completely opaque, and that was 2 coats, and it's such a good nail polish. So that's my hand painted, and as you can see, that's what the nail polish looks like. It's really nice. The colors are absolutely gorgeous. Like the shiny, I'm so surprised, because usually with like shiny shimmery nail polishes, they're really transparent and you need to do loads of coats, but literally 1 coat would have been enough. I did 2 just to even it all out, but it's fine and I absolutely love it, and it goes really well with my outfit today. And that was unintentional, by the way. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.